Good day, sir. My name is Stanley Ching with matrix number 270607. Today, I will be present about the mobile application that I recently developed for individual assignment one, individual lab assignment one. So the application that I developed is Omni Calculator, which is an application for calculating the ABSI score and also the ABSI DEX score. So at now I will be explain about how the application going to function. Okay, so at here we can see there are several titles like sex, age, height, weight, waist circumference, and also some of the unit here. And then we can see here have a calculate button, and down here have a result table with ABSI and also ABSI DEX score. Next, under the result table, there are the legend here, which is for user to refer with their mortality risk. So I will use my information as an example to insert the data at here. So for myself, I am male and with my age 22 years old, 164 cm of height, 48 kilograms, and also 70 cm of waist circumference. At here we can see the ABSI is 0.08004 and the DEX score is 0.6021. So to prove that the calculation is accurate, I will going to calculate again by using the Omni calculator website. So same, the sex is male and the age is 22 years old and the height is 164 cm, 50 kilograms, and also 70 cm. Oh, sorry, it's 48 cm, sorry. Okay, we can see here the ABSI score and the ABSI DEX score here. We can compare both of these data result. We can see that the result calculated by the mobile application is very accurate. Okay, as same as here, the mortality risk shown, the risk is very is high. As so as here, it display high here, and then we can refer this mortality risk using this legend. So for the ABSI DEX score is 0.6021. So at is between the number of 0.229 and also 0.798. So the risk is compulsory high. Okay, next I will perform another function like changing the option here. So actually for the sex like male and female, the ABSI and the ABSI DEX score is quite different, and also the same as the mortality risk. So I will just change an example by using change the sex to female. So I calculate again. We can see the ABSI and also the ABSI DEX score have changed. Okay, to prove that the accuracy, I change at here too. You can see the result is same from the website and also the application, which is 0.08004 and also 0.6205, and also the mortality risk is high, same as here. Okay, another function that I need to special mention about is the unit here is quite unique. So like feet slash inches and also meter slash cm. So to perform this unit, I will give an example like if I use meter slash cm. Okay, so at here we for 164 cm it is 1 meter and 64 cm. So we have to key in the data with, followed by this format. So it's 1/64, which means 1 meter slash 64 cm. So I click calculate. Okay, so the data here is remain unchanged because it's same with the 164 cm. Okay, so I try to use 68 cm. I click calculate. Okay, so you can see the data have changed and the mortality risk become very high. Okay, I have finished perform the function of my application. So now I will start explain about the code of how I write it. Okay, so for the title here, I think I don't need to explain more about it. So I just skip it, and okay, and I skip to the drop down menu here. So I will explain if one of the drop down menu. Let me find. Okay, I explain with the drop down button, which is the for the height. This one. Okay. So for the height, I open a drop down menu item. Okay, and the child is text with the cm style, text style, and also the font size. Okay. This one I open several child like cm, meter, inch, feet, and also feet slash inches, and last one is meter slash cm. Okay, so and this one on change value is to retrieve the change at here. So if for example if I change to cm, then the value here will change to cm also, and the height answer is equal to value which is also equal to cm. So the high answer will be saved on here. Here. Okay. So for this one is the initialization, which is when the data is at the default state is cm. Okay. So it and this one if the like this option change to meter, then the data here will also change to meter. Okay. Next, we'll explain about the okay. Next, I will explain about okay, let me explain about the calculation. So for the calculation, I use this formula. Okay, yes, I also use it as my example to explain about it. So I use this formula. Okay, if high answer is equal to cm, then high is because then high is equal to double pass high text editing controller dot text divide by 100. So why I need to use divide by 100 divide by 39.37 3.281? Actually they have a reason. Like, okay, I need to go to the website. Scan please. Okay, actually as we refer to here, okay, we can see the height is expressed in m, and so for the calculation here is also using meter as the unit. So I need to divide 100 to change the cm to meter, divide this number to change inches to meter also. So as the fit here. Okay, and next is for this function, for this special unit like feet slash inch. So for this feet slash inch, I have used a special command which is split, and then this symbol. So which means that if the high answer that the user choose is feet slash inch, then the program will recognize this symbol and then separate them into two units, which is feet and also inches. And then I use this command to separate this. Okay, so for part 0 is the front part, which is feet, and the part 1 is the second part, which is inches. So after that, I have to perform this calculation again and then calculate the answer. Okay, so next I will explain about the BMI calculator. So the formula as here, and the ABSI calculator. So this one is the ABSI formula, which the max, and then the ABSI z-score. Okay, as we know, the ABSI z-score need the ABSI mean and also the ABSI standard deviation. So for the mean and also the standard deviation, actually it doesn't have a specific formula to calculate it, or if it have, but I don't know. So for me, I use the table to find the answer. Okay, so like here, it can display a table here. A second, please. Sorry. Okay, and here we can see there are table for age of 2, the mean is 0.078990 and the standard deviation is 0.00384. So for this column is for male, and then this column, let me find. Okay, this column is for female. Okay, so in order to find answer by using this table, I have used the solution by myself is, okay, let me find asset from the asset. Okay, so I have created the asset here and tables. I have created by using text file, which is male and female. So for male, actually the text file is here. Okay, further. Okay, assets, tables. Okay, the text file is displayed like this. So I copy all the data and input into the text file in a one line. Okay, same as the female text file here. So after I import, then the text file will represent like this in one line. Okay, so at here I have used spec YAML to import the assets / tables, and then at here, which is my library, okay, main dot. Okay, at here I have opened a method which is load male list string age assign. Okay, so for this one, whenever I call this method, then the parameter is age. So this method will receive the parameter age, and then the string response text, and also this variable. Okay, I will explain later. So at here, because like what I mentioned just now, male and female, their ABS IJAX score is quite different. So if the sex answer is male, so the response text will load the male text file. So is this. Okay, and so when the sex answer is male, then it will access this male txt. So else if the sex answer is female, then this method will access the female txt. Okay. Okay, so the gender list actually is a list that I create in front. Okay, so the response text is at here, and then I will split using space. You can see at here there are space between. Yeah, this and this have space. All of the data have space between. So for the mean, actually the column is all the same. So like if I search for the age of 2, then I will get this one, right? And then for the mean, I just need to plus 3, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then I will get the mean. However, for the standard deviation, I just need to plus 4 with the index of age plus 4, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I will get the standard deviation here. And then the ABSI mean, then I will return this ABSI mean and also the ABSI SD for the for this formula, these two formula, sorry, this one, and then calculate the answer and display the result. Okay, and then lastly is the asset, which one is this legend image. So I have import the asset also at here, legend PNG. Okay, this one same solution. I use spec YAML and import by using assets / images, and then import into the application. Okay, so this is my presentation about my application, and thank you very much.